Data of Google Incorporation has been downloaded directly from Yahoo Finance, which is shown in the previous video. Uh, we can also visualize the trend of the price using R. So for that purpose, we will use ggplot function actually. Okay, so let us do that. So okay, I can write visualize the trend of stock price. Okay, so it is not very difficult, very easy actually. Our name of the data file is gg_d. So after that we will use a pipe operator. Then we will use the command ggplot. Then it will have arguments like AES. So under aesthetics, we will have we will use at least two arguments, x and y. What will be in the x-axis and what will be in the y-axis. So the x-axis, we will have to use the date because we want to see it over time, and we have to be careful about the exact spelling of the date column and the capitalization. Okay, so it is all small. So when we start typing it, RStudio also provides us the name here. We can click from here, x equals to date, and then y is equals to. We know that if we look at the file, the data, actually we are interested to see the trend of the adjusted price because this is the true reflection of the price. Okay, so the column name is actually adjusted. So y will be equals to adjusted. Y will be equal to adjusted. So and not only that, after that we have some other arguments. Okay, plus we have to tell that it has to be a line. Okay, so it is line plot geom underscore. We are not using area or bar or anything, it is the type is actually geom underscore line. Okay, so we'll be using this one, and the label of the graph will be plus lab equals actually okay. So what are the labels? Because we have x and y here, so we have to mention them, and then we will use the title. Okay, so we don't want any label for x, so we have to use null. Then y, label of y will also be equals to null because we don't want any label there. Then title has to be equals to, you can give any title. So probably the most appropriate title will be price trend of Google or something like that. Okay, so I think that is good enough. So now if we run this by pressing Ctrl Enter, we can see that we have a very nice graph here. Okay, we have a very nice graph here. So this is how we can create the trend of the price. So it is really very nice and very instantly generated. Now let's say you want to change the color of the line. You can actually add so many customizations. So I'm just showing one. Let's say the color of the line is has to be blue as per our choice. Okay, then again if I run it, then you can see it has become blue. Okay, so these kind of customizations are possible. You can always go to relevant documentations or use the help function mentioning the function name and all this thing. This is how we can generate a very nice chart showing the trend of the stock price. That's all.